Attention, aspiring racers, listen up. Our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week is a name you might be familiar with, Mason Fillipi. Let me tell you, this guy is a racer's racer. You've seen him in IMSA as a professional driver for Hyundai and Brian Herta Autosport. If you're a NASCAR Xfinity Series fan, you've seen him there. NASCAR trucks? Yep. And Fillipi was a factory driver for Hyundai in the 24 Hours of Nürburgring. He's even driven an LMP car in the Rolex 24 at Daytona. Mason started out riding dirt bikes as a kid and moving up to go-karts, then Spec Miata. That's where he had a lot of success, even winning the Team Mazda Challenge. But just like most young racers, Mason says finding sponsorship was always a challenge when he was trying to get started, so he's decided to make a difference. He created Open Fender, designed to help racers connect with sponsors and vice versa. It's also where racers can learn how to engage with social media and learn tips from other racers who have found success. Mason says he started OpenFender.com with his younger self in mind, and now he's helping other young racers fund their dreams. I certainly wish OpenFender.com was around back when I wanted to go racing. Thank you, Mason Fillipi, for making my favorite sport better, and you are certainly deserving of the title Motorhead of the Week. We've had a professional racer, we've had a retired general, we've had car collectors, we've even had truck drivers on as Motorhead of the Week. So go to motorheadgarage.tv and tell us why you or someone you know should be Motorhead of the Week. We'll get you here on the show. We're out of time for this episode, but we're not out of ideas for great products for your vehicle, so tune in next week when we do it again. From our crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, we'll see you next week. Drive safely.